In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to scan a two-sided document page 1 to page 4 on the HP Envy Photo 7975 printer series. We will use the document feeder to scan the two-sided document. So let's place the document onto the document feeder. Next, from our mobile phone, we will use the Mopria Scan to scan the two-sided document. Let's start up Mopria Scan. We will select HP Envy Photo 7900 series. The scan source is feeder, and the size is manual two-sided. Let's scan. We'll scan the front side. Page 1 and page 3 is scanned. We need to flip our document over so that the backside is scanned. So let's do that. So it's in this orientation. We need to flip it over and insert it into the document feeder. From our mobile phone, we'll scan the backside. Let's take a look at our document. So this is page 1, page 2, page 3 and page 4. The documents are in perfect order. So this is how you scan a two-sided document using Mopria Scan on the HP Envy Photo 7975 printer series.